Welcome to our geometry lesson on proving quadrilaterals are parallelograms. We will explore 5 methods for understanding the sufficient conditions that make a quadrilateral a parallelogram. First, let's define a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral that has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel to each other. This is the core definition we will be using. The first method is a direct application of the definition. If you can show that both pairs of opposite sides in a quadrilateral are parallel, then you have proven it is a parallelogram. The second method involves the lengths of the sides. If both pairs of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, meaning they have the exact same length, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Our third method focuses on the angles. If you can demonstrate that both pairs of opposite angles within a quadrilateral are congruent or have the same measure, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. The fourth method looks at the diagonals. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, which means they intersect at their midpoints, then the quadrilateral is confirmed to be a parallelogram. The fifth and final method is a combination of properties. If you can show that just one pair of opposite sides in a quadrilateral is both parallel and congruent, that is sufficient to prove it is a parallelogram. Let's consider an example. If you have a quadrilateral where one pair of opposite sides has a length of 7 and the other pair has a length of 5, can it be a parallelogram? The answer is no, because both pairs of opposite sides must be congruent. Here is another scenario. If you have a quadrilateral and you know its diagonals cut each other in half, is it a parallelogram? Yes, it is. This is because if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, it satisfies one of our key conditions. To recap, here are the 5 ways to prove a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. 1. Show both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. 2. Show both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. 3. Show both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. 4. Show the diagonals bisect each other. And 5. Show that one pair of opposite sides is both parallel and congruent.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.